had a conversation with someone this morning about Google Calendars, and they said, well, do you use Google Calendars for anything beyond meetings and appointments? And the answer is yes. Now, I already shared earlier that I use my Google Calendars for personal events like picnics and getting together with friends. But I also use my Google Calendar to keep track of the decision-making events or activities I have to do. Because if I don't schedule time to really focus on making decisions, doing research, evaluating ideas, then I'll just wing it. I'll just plow through it. Or I will overwhelm myself by eating up the entire day just thinking through, evaluating, researching to make a decision. And that'll burn you out, and it will often not lead to the best results. So when I get a message or I discover that I have to work on a project, I have to think about a decision, I will very clearly just go to my calendar and pick the best time of day for me, which, by the way, I know that is not before 10 a.m. and it's usually not on Mondays. So I will actually schedule time, no more than 2 hours for me, and that will be to review the new CRM system. And then I will add in the description whatever information I need or I have to start this task. And then I'll save that. And I always use words that I can see this, it's review. And so if, let's say another time I have to do some other project. So maybe on Friday at 2:00, I need to evaluate the potential for partnership. Again, I generally do not go more than 2 hours. Then I'll list maybe company A and company B, and maybe look at the info from John H, whatever information I need, and I'll put that on my calendar. And I'm very deliberate about a couple things. Number one, I generally will not schedule more than 2-hour blocks of time to do this kind of work. Secondly, I will never put down back to back. I can't do that back to back because that'll just totally wear me out. Has to be other activities that I'm doing that are productive, that are useful, maybe relaxing, etc., etc. And then the third thing is I will never schedule this work at the wrong time of day for me. I know very clearly that doing this work at 7 or even 8 o'clock in the morning is not going to work for me. My mind is not ready to do that. I cannot do this kind of work before 10 a.m. in the morning. And one other thing, it is absolutely appropriate for you to put time. Absolutely appropriate for you to put time. You know, sometimes I call it respite time. Sometimes I call it just simply take a walk. Listen to a book. We're humans. We're not machines. So we should not only focus on the work that we have to do in our lives. We have to also remember to pay attention to the things that make this human, make this body more successful, and putting time on here. By the way, on my real calendar, I have Monday, Wednesday, and Friday go to the Y for 2 hours every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Why? Because these are important to me. Why? Because again, we are not machines. We are humans. And we should use our Google Calendars to schedule all the things that are important to us, including evaluations and research and thinking time and respite time. Don't treat yourself like a machine. You're a human. But schedule the things that are important to you. Hey, I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail, and I hope these ideas are useful for you.